In my last video, I prepared the hair for cornrows and did a very beautiful cornrow. So today, we're going to be learning how to do bald cap method and how to tone the cap to look like skin. So in this video, I'm also going to be showing you guys how to prepare the skin before glue application. So if this sounds like something you'll be interested in, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. Hi guys, I'm Black. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Louis Iwefo. If this is your first time here on my channel, hello there, welcome to my channel. So here on my channel, I create hair content, lifestyle content, and vlogs. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know, like I always say, sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll always be notified whenever I post a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you so much for always sticking around. So you guys, I just used my butterfly shadow spray on her edges. Then I went on to use my edge control brush and my hand dryer in cool air to tame down her edges. So I'm going to be using this HD wicker. It's very transparent and very light. So I'm just going to stretch it over her face and then get my scissors and cut out the ear part. So then after that, I'm going to get my hold spray and then spray around her hairline. So by the way, this spray I'm using is the Love Beauty Ultra Hold Spray. So to make it stick, I'm going to get my hand dryer and then dry it down in cold air. So to shade match, I'm going to get a powder palette and then place it close to her face. So this is going to help me pick her exact color. So I'm going to tap the powder and then pat it into the wicker. So once I'm done, I'm going to get my scissors and then cut out the excesses. So I'm going to try to melt the wig cap into her skin. So to do this, I get my spray and then spray a little on it. So then I'm going to get my hand dryer and the rattle comb. So as I'm drying, I'm going to be pressing it into her skin. So it's going to help it stay down flat. So as soon as I'm done with this stage, I'm going to get my wipe. So I'm using a very clean wipe. So by the way, this is Huggies. So I like to tear it into three because it helps to like minimize it. I mean, the economy is bad. So I'm just going to use the first one to like clean out the powder, the dirt, oil residue on her skin. Then the second step after this is getting my skin protectant spray and then pat it into her skin. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know, like I always say, sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you'd want to see here on my channel? Don't forget to leave it in the comments, and I promise you guys I'm going to come through. So I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.